Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Simonton, local and long-distance movers near me. To move a long distance, you need to fulfill all the requirements in charge of the moving process. We have all excellent working relationships with these guys, which helps us make relocations easy to pull off. Hence, we have the official permit to transit you and your belongings from one location to another. This relationship also provides security during the move. Your belongings are also safe with us. Our movers make sure to arrange and load your belongings properly. Our trucks can also carry and move your heavy items and pieces of furniture. We have adequate insurance to cover liabilities during the relocation process. Our drivers also have a lot of expertise over long distances, and they have done such relocations several times, so the experience is not lacking. They know the best routes to get you to your destination on time without any issues and will move you properly to your desired destination. 3 Movers offers excellent local moves in Simonton Lake, and the truth is that local activities are not as complex as their long-distance counterparts, but you still need to make adequate and proper preparation. We help our clients manage and conduct their local moves to get the best results possible. We are also always available to answer your questions. If you also need us to help you with something else, you only need to give us a call. We know the best routes in Simonton Lake that can get you to your location on time, and we are also very affordable, charging about $30 to $40 every hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Simonton Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.